Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and merge PDF files into one PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Acrobat program. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official website at adobe.com and go to the Adobe Acrobat page. From here you can get started downloading the program. So once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started, and as you can see, you're going to have the recommended tools for you section. This is great for beginners to see what they can do with the program, and as you can see, one of the options you're going to go and be able to see right here is called combine files. So this is going to enable us to merge multiple files into a single PDF, and you can click the use now option to take you to the section to get started with adding your files. So from here you can get started with adding your files. You can drag and drop them if you want, or select from your computer and then get started rearranging your pages in the next page. But basically, to be able to combine them, as you can see, this is a premium option. So you're going to need a premium subscription that you need a subscription for to Adobe Acrobat. You're not going to go ahead and be able to do this with a free trial. So if you need any more help, you can go to this article right here on how to combine files into one PDF. It's on the official Help Adobe website, where you can go and take a look at everything you need step by step and take a look at how to get started merging your PDF files. But keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.